Hello, this is Marcus from Beamla.com, and in this short video I want to show you where you can find example text. Now this is generally called lorem ipsum, and I want to do a quick Google real quick so I can show you this. This text has been used for a long time, which pretty much it means it allows you to provide a template, a visual for text, so that users, for example, this works really well if you're like a web designer or developer and you're creating a website for a client and the client doesn't have content already for the site. And so what you generally would tell them is say, here's what I'll do is I'll provide a template for you, a demonstration, so you could see sort of how your text, when we add real text, how it will look. And so as you can see in this picture, this looks like very readable, very normal text, even though it doesn't really make any sense. But it's used really just for demonstration purposes. And what's interesting about this has actually been around for a long time. It says the ordinary lorem ipsum text has been used in typesetting since 1960s, which is something I never really knew until just a couple days ago when I was studying up on just programming. And it seems that it was really used to serve the purpose of creating websites and I guess for magazines, journalists, just any sort of illustrations before you actually provide the actual text. And so I want to show you a website called lipsum.com, which allows you to, this isn't my website, I wish it was, but it allows you to choose the words, if you're looking for words, bytes, list, and paragraphs. And so if I wanted 10 paragraphs, start with Lipsum, I can generate 10 paragraphs just like that. Very, very useful. I generally like to stick with about the three to five paragraphs. And so this is pretty much what I would do if I had a document right here. Let's just say I had this. Oh, I have to actually save this, my bad. Index.html. Let me save this to my desktop. And because Sublime doesn't, unless you choose the type of extension, it doesn't work that way. And so then you could just display content just like this, or if you're in WordPress, same thing. You can go WordPress and add the text just like that. And then you could add your own styles. If I wanted this to be bold, I can make it bold just by something like that. If I want to make this a link, I can do that, and so forth. Hope that you enjoyed this video though, because this can really save a lot of time in your development and pretty much in anything you're doing. For me personally, I like having the example text simply because, well, let's do a demonstration real quick. Let's just say I was going to have, style this up. Let's do a float left with 60%, and I'm going to add this text in here. I know this is a pretty poor demonstration, but I guess we'll see how it goes. And I was going to do a width of, let's just say 35 pixels with a margin left of 5%. And so I add this text right here. And I'm going to clear this down here. I can't really type today. And we have another text which is full width. Obviously, I'm just going to place it within div, and I like to keep these sort of in line like that. Now, if I were to run this, it's going to display the text. As you can see right here, there's the first content, there's the second content. But without this, if we eliminated all this and just had the boxes, it makes it difficult, obviously, to see, where this looks like readable text instead of just saying this is an example. This is example text. It makes it a lot easier because it looks natural. It really looks natural. And obviously, I would be doing some changing up here. I'd making this smaller, possibly the sidebar smaller, and so forth. But I hope that this video has helped. This has been insightful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to visit Beamla.com or leave a comment below. Thank you.